Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Joyner Lucas and Jill Rawl here with a song called Best for Me. So this one is a quick one. We're gonna go over 4 chords we're gonna need to handle here for this song, and it goes in the same way through the entire song. So let's do this with a capo set on the 1st fret. Alright, with that we have the A minor first. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have G next. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd E, and 3rd E. And then we have the F. That's a bar chord where we place the bar on the 1st fret over all strings, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And then we have the C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. So we have a string pattern that goes into different halves. So we're gonna look at the halves and see how we're gonna split them. So we're gonna look at the transition here from A minor to G. That's how the song starts. So the first half will be with A minor, down, down, up, clap, down. That's the first half, and then you switch to another chord, in this case the G, and play down, clap, down. And that's the second half. All right, so let's do this, and the transition goes. So that's how the song starts. A minor, part 1, G, part 2, and then you play F 1 full round. That's the first half of the chord progression. Then you're gonna play A minor, part 1, C, part 2, and then you're gonna play F 1 full round. Most of the times it goes with F 1 full round, and sometimes it goes F part 1 and G part 2 in the end there. So sometimes F 1 full, and sometimes it splits between F and G. So the second part goes A minor part 1, C part 2, and then you just have to listen for it F or F G. So A minor, C, and F. That's what's going on round and round through the entire song, and that is how to summarize Best for Me. So hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.